Walked in the 7-Eleven, seen some rednecks with a mullet. They looked over at me, I looked over at them. They see I got cowboy boots, basketball shorts, and a wife beater. Spanish guy. Give me that look like, what in the Jesus is going on with that guy? I give myself a look, think, even they're dressed better than I am. What's going on? Get it? But yeah, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna tear this F-250 up and see what it is. So you see what it says in the description, tearing down a F-250 with a sledgehammer. We're gonna fix this thing once and for all. See how it's rubbing? It's rubbing. Well, this was a cool truck. All right, new headlights. Let me know if you want some headlights. You know, they're still good. So yeah, this right here, they tell us, hey Chris, why don't you work normal hours? You'd think we're up with Uncle Jeff or Tommy Barrels, the way this place looks over here. But nah. What's the name of that show? Sanford and Son? Yeah. Nah, actually my buddy's got the container. He's got all the garbage piled up there. That's why I'm gonna beat this truck here, so we don't have to lug the garbage too far. So yeah, let me set you guys up here and see what we could do. Oh no. What in this shake and bake thing is going on here? Damn it, Gina, you should get me a damn tripod. Listen to old Bingo's dog over there. Well, we should name this video Spanish boy breaking down a truck. Let's get it. That was pretty easy. Figure it out. That wasn't supposed to go that easy, was it? I thought it was Ford, built for tough. What the heck? Hey, Mike, I was supposed to just knock the grill off. I think I knocked the whole front end off. Oh boy.